If I look around this room, I just don't think anyone's got it. There's a lack of soul around here, and that's what we need, is a mad dog with soul. My name is Jesse Kramer. I'm 21 years old, and I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. Growing up, my parents took me to church. My mom kind of kept it on the down low that there's other music other than just gospel and old hymns and bluegrass, just because they didn't want me to be inspired by rock and roll. But I've always been kind of a rebel. In high school, I was being, a rock star, coming home late, smelling like smoke, and my parents thought I wasn't doing what a God-called man should do. But I think that rock and roll is where God and the devil shake hands. My parents gave me an ultimatum saying, it's either church or rock and roll, and I chose rock and roll. I was about 18, I left home for good. I couch surfed for a little bit, I was playing on the streets and just trying to scratch for change. I would go a couple days without even eating just because I didn't have money. But anywhere I'm able to play music is home. When I hit a stage, the music just takes me, and it's amazing. I think it'd be really cool to be one before, just because I'm a wild card. I think the world absolutely needs a new rock, so I'm here to bring it and show you exactly that rock and roll is not dead.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Jesse, happy birthday to you.
Hey Jesse, happy birthday, I love you, you're fucking best. Rock and roll, baby.
Happy birthday, Jesse. Hope to see you on tour again. You're number one in my book. And I ought to know, I'm 77 years old, been in music all my life, please.
Hi, Jesse Kramer. Your voice make me so good to me, and you're so awesome, and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Jesse. Enjoy your day. Rock on.
Happy birthday, Jesse. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Jesse. You're a total rock star. Your fans love you. I see it on Instagram. I love seeing you in Speedway. I got all my hair cut off, not curly anymore. Anyway, rock on. Have a fabulous birthday.
Happy birthday, Jesse. Such a huge fan of yours. I love your songs, especially your originals, and you deserve all the happiness in the world. So, have a great day.
Happy birthday, Jesse. I can't wait. You're gonna do great. Happy birthday. Hi, just wanted to say happy birthday to a very talented artist that I know is gonna do bigger things in the future and who is my favorite on the floor. Happy birthday, Jesse. I love you.
Hey, Jesse. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. And I love your music and your songs.
Since you've been gone,
I want to say happy birthday, you little OG. You brought rock and roll to the floor, and that's something I've never seen. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Jesse, just wanted to say happy birthday. You're a rock and roll icon to me. You changed the way I look at music forever, and I hope you have an amazing day. You deserve it. Rock and roll.
Hey, I just want to say a happy birthday to Jesse Kramer. You are an amazing musician, amazing singer, and I hope you have an amazing birthday. Thanks.
Jesse, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Jesse, you are all a rock star forever.
Hey Jesse, it's Kate here, and I just want to wish you a very swell birthday. You deserve the whole entire world. You're hands down one of the best songwriters I've ever heard. And you're sharing your rock music with the world, which is the absolute coolest thing a person could do. So keep rocking. You're gonna be selling out stadiums. We all love you so much. Rock on, Jessie.
Olá, Jess. Hello, Jess. Happy birthday. My name is Juliana. I'm from Brazil. You are wonderful, talented, and very special. I love you, Jess. Congratulations.
Happy birthday, Jessie. I wish you all the best. And this is just the beginning, and I can't wait for your new music and everything. I love you so much, and rock and roll is still alive.
Happy birthday, Jessie Kramer. I love you so much. Thank you for being my idol and inspiration for me. Have a nice day. Waiting for Spain. And rock on.
Happy birthday, Jessie. I hope that you are happy, and I wish that you will always be together with your family and with your loved ones. I love you.
Happiest 22nd birthday anniversary. I love you so much, Jessie Kramer. Keep rolling, roll on. You're one hell of sexy manifest.